Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get Roblox Plus for free. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Roblox app on your device. Once you are on the main Roblox page, tap on the three-line menu in the top left corner. From the menu that appears, look for the Roblox Plus option and tap on it. After that, you will be taken to the Roblox Plus page. Here, you can review the benefits included with a subscription, such as discounts on in-game items and avatars, additional membership perks. Next, find the Try It Free option, tap on it, and then select Try for Free again when prompted. Roblox will then show you the details of the free trial offer. Finally, follow the on-screen instructions to activate the free trial. Once the trial is activated, you will be able to use Roblox Plus features during the trial period. Keep in mind that after the free trial ends, the subscription may automatically renew and charge the regular monthly fee, unless you cancel it before the renewal date. And that's it. So that's basically how you can get Roblox Plus for free. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.